Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Ethereum from Crypto.com to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is essential for any investor. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or switch platforms for better rates, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Gemini. If you don't, head over to their websites or apps and complete the verification process. It's quick and straightforward. Once that's done, open your Crypto.com app or website and log in securely. Next, navigate to your wallet section. Find your Ethereum balance and select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. This is usually under a Withdraw or Send button. Before you proceed, double-check that you're selecting Ethereum, ETH, as the asset. Now, here's the key part. You'll need your Gemini wallet address. Hop over to your Gemini account, go to your Ethereum wallet, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's specifically for Ethereum. Always verify to avoid any mix-ups. Back on Crypto.com, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so take a second to ensure everything looks good. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transaction to process, depending on the Ethereum network. Once it's done, log back into Gemini and check your wallet to confirm the Ethereum has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Crypto.com to Gemini in 2025. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and double-checking addresses. If you run into any issues, both platforms have great support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.